that saved a wretch like me.
Seventh-day Adventist Church, Anambra Mission, welcomes you to her hour of grace. This is an hour of praise, an hour of biblical exposition, an hour of prayer until something happens. Join us every Sunday by 4 p.m. at Ogene 98.3 FM. It's promised to be an hour of life-changing with Pastor James Uzuegu James and other anointed men of God. The Seventh-day Adventist Hour of Grace, it's all about God's amazing grace.